Jack's not home or work, so...
Yeah, he's not answering either. I've got to get to the store. Will you stay on guard, yeah?
I'm not some sort of prison guard.
Oh, what? Do you want to leave him out there in the gang's den, do you? Because it ain't easy looking at your brother's dead body, you know. Well, you said you want to talk to him, so spend the day talking to him and stop being such a selfish little cow.
And you know they such her clothes and nappies, and they took his birthday cards. What do they really think I'm hiding there, eh? I mean, why would you even take them?
Excuse me. Where's my son, Ben Mitchell?
Sorry, mate. He changed his mind.
Listen, mate, he's asked to see his family and he's entitled.
He said he don't want to see anyone.
No, you made a mistake. He's on the visitors hall.
Yeah, he knows you're in. He just don't want to come out. It's his choice. I'm sorry, but you're both going to have to leave.
Come on, Phil, let's just go.
No, wait. Tell him that we've